Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve exercise of chapter number 4. Now open your book page 34. MCQs are here. First one is while booting. Booting means starting of a computer. The file which is not necessary to exit is command.com. So what is command.com? It interprets commands given by the user. So इसका exit करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज़ IOSS. इसको हम प्रोनाउंस करेंगे IOSS. इज़ द इंटरफेस बिटवीन द हार्ट ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एंड इनपुट आउटपुट कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ कंप्यूटर. IO मीन्स इनपुट और O मीन्स आउटपुट. नेक्स्ट इज़ द प्रोग्राम विच कंटेन्स द कोड फॉर यूटिलिटी फंक्शन ऑफ DOS इज़ MS-DOS dot SES. SES means system. Machine language is made up of arrangement of ones and zeros. Now open your book page 36. MCQs. Dash are general programs written for the system that provides way for the writing of application software. Answer is system software. A dash package is a package that is easy to learn and use. Answer is user friendly. The first program loaded into the computer's memory is called operating system. Next is the first step in the growth of programming language was the development of what is known as the dash assembly language. Next is fill in the blanks. Select your appropriate word from the given word bank. First one is an operating system loads and dash the program specified by the user. Answer is executes. Dash program contains the code for file and disk buffering management capabilities. Answer is MS-DOS dot SES. If dash file exit, it is automatically executed during booting. Answer is auto execute.bat. The rules that govern the set of symbols in a language are called dash syntax. The implementation of a program as per order lines in systematic way is dash programming. Structured programming. Next is true false. True T for true and F for false. First one is for booting. An operating system contains one or more files. कि कंप्यूटर के स्टार्टअप के लिए ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कंटेन करता है one or more files. Yes, answer is true. MS-DOS dot SES is also known as a file and disk manager. Yes, answer is true. Next is machine language a universal for all types of hardware design in different computers. Answer is false because every CPU has its own unique machine language. कि हर CPU की हर कंप्यूटर की machine language different होती है. So answer is false. A compiler translates the programs into machine language one line at a time. No. False. One line at a time कौन सा translator करता है? Interpreter. So for the compiler it's false. Assembly and machine languages are classified as low level language. Yes. कि assembly और machine language low level language की types हैं. Here's your column. Match the option with the correct answer. Types of single function application packages. Special purpose. Example of some common operating systems: DOS, DOS and Windows. Process of loading of the computer operating system into the computer memory. It's booting. Language understood by the machine is called the machine language. The command processor command.com. Okay students, learn your question answer and exercise of chapter number 4. Keep learning. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.